In example 3, very similar to example 2, we're going to write vector b as a sum of unit vectors, then find the magnitude and direction. So to represent vector b as a sum of unit vectors, we'll just take the x component and multiply that by vector I. Remember, vector I has a length of 1 in the x direction only. Then we'll write our negative 1.8 and multiply that by vector j. And there's your sum of unit vectors. To find the magnitude of vector b, we'll take the square root of 2.5 squared plus negative 1.8 squared. And we're going to find an approximation here. So this is going to approximately be about 3.08 or 3.1. So if you need to, pause the video, type that into your calculator, and make sure you're doing that correctly. If you get an answer that's not that, that's a little bit smaller than 3.08, you might have forgotten your parentheses above right here. So you got parentheses here and here. When you square a negative, that's going to wind up being a positive. That's a common error I see quite often with some students. To find the direction, we'll take the inverse tangent of y, which is negative 1.8, divided by 2.5. If we do that, the calculator is going to give us an answer in quadrant 4, and that's where this vector is. Notice here we're moving right and down, so we're in quadrant 4. So our calculator will give us the accurate angle here. So we've got about negative 35.8. And if you wanted to, you could add 360 to that to find the positive angle between 0 and 360, but negative 35.8 is fine for now.